All right, fun night in the shop tonight, getting some assembly done. So I got the fuse off of the rotisserie and I sanded and polished the blue and the yellow, the paint. Got it all looking nice and shiny here. And then got the V250 installed. So it's installed with the Fiala 3416 prop. And then also got the exhaust. These are just silicone tubing that I double wrapped and double wire wrapped onto the two exhausts. So that is going to work out really, really well. And yeah, it clears nicely. If you look in here, it clears the ring really nice. Should work out great. And then I haven't put these vents on. There's going to be 2 vents that go here, and then there's 3 that go here, and then 2 on the other side. Well, what we got in here is the Fiala pump, which I have in the bottom, and then the Fiala ignition, and then I have 2 rods here. This one is the throttle, and this one here is the choke. And the plan is to put some servo mounts. Oops, if I zoom out, I'll put some servos right down here for throttle and choke. And I'm going to crisscross them because that gives the best geometry for the carburetor. So I get some throttle servos in here, and then I'm going to build a mount here and put the tank right here. I'll probably go with a 500 mil tank. These things don't consume much fuel. 500, I think a liter would be way too much, so I'm gonna put a 500 mil. Once I get all this done with the throttles and the fuel tank, I'll be done in here. I can get these louvers in, and then I can get my cabanes on with my center wing. So no sense doing that now, making it tough to get my hands in there. And then on the front, I'm going to put a tonneau cover. So there'll be a tonneau cover here that's going to snap down, and I'm going to cover that tonneau cover, or this piece of plywood. I got some leather. I'm going to leather wrap this, and then I'll have a few screws that I'll be able to take this on or off to give me access. And then I will run my fuel fill back to here, and I'll see how the CG works, but I'd love to put my Powerbox Mercury in here with my batteries, but again, that'll all depend where things go in terms of CG, but coming along.